Hi guys, it's another quick video. I'm off to a pub quiz, so I haven't got long to record this, so it'll be short and sweet. It's another one of those videos where I'm going to introduce a niche which you might not have thought about, but it seems to be doing well, and also books are making sales, but it's low competition. That's the main thing. Logbooks. Again, really simple to make, but there are so many different niches you can go after. This is just one of them. It's a medication logbook. This is the information from Titan's Quick View. Very low competition, just 748. 10 books have got the exact match, which is, I think it's a good thing, because it means people are using this search term, so other authors are using the titles in the book. Decent BSR, a low of 17,000, which I wouldn't mind. Low reviews. Average of 96 and a low of 0. The highest review is only 1,400, so that shows that there's not just one book getting all the sales, I think. And the price is pretty decent as well. An average of $8.49. You can get $7.99 and get yourself a couple of dollars per book. Easy peasy. We'll scroll down and we'll look at the books. They're really, really simple. And you'll notice that some of them are targeting certain audiences. So this one here, for example, is targeting seniors. This one here is a personal health record keeper. There's ones further down just for generic medication. There's caregivers. So it's the same basic book, like this one here. It's all about medication and things like that, but it's targeted towards a caregiver, a professional carer, or perhaps a family carer. You can target them towards personal health, like the one further up did, or perhaps a family health sort of log. And as you can see, this one here, it's got 120 reviews, 74,000 BSR, and it's really simple. When we click into it, you can see from the front cover, medication and dose, time, and then a checklist for the days of the week. We can make all that in a table, and I've showed you how to make checklists as well, so you can do it very easily. And if we look inside, the first few pages are always contact details and emergency information, so doctors' numbers and things like that, next to kin things. But once we skip past that, you're straight into the repeating journal. One page like that, and then a page for notes. That's all it is. Really, really simple. And this one here is making $447 estimated dollars per month. Now, obviously, that's not all royalties, but it's not a bad amount. If they're making 64 sales a month and you're making $2 per sale, that's $128. Now, it's not thousands, but if you've got 3 or 4 books that are bringing in $100 plus a month, you're well on your way to having a lot of extra cash to have a bit of fun. If you've got 10 books making $100 each, that's $1,000. And as you can see from the first page, there's 39 out of the 48 books are independently published. Now, of course, they're not all KDP, but a lot of them will be. So all of these ones here are all very simple, very similar, and they're making sales. You know, again, they're not like in the top 100 BSR, but they're making money, they're making regular sales. It's a lot harder to get the full pie. You're better off getting small slivers of many pies. I really fancy a pie. So we'll just scroll through the rest of these books, and as you can see, the majority are really very, very simple. Some of them look more advanced, like this one here. But when you get into it, it is just a logbook. This is for by the month, by the looks of things there. And it's just got section for your medication, the date, the time, the dose, and then the little ticky box. Really, really simple. And the best thing to do, or a thing that I like to do, is to click a book that I think we might be able to compete with. So if we say this one here. Really simple: date, time, medication, dosage, and a little check mark there for taken. And if we go to the reviews, read any bad reviews and remedy what they've got wrong. Now, obviously, I'm in an incognito window. I'm not signed in, so I can't read the reviews here. But just find the book in your normal Amazon account and read the negative reviews. You'll learn a lot more from the negative reviews than the positive ones. And also, it makes you feel better about yourself. It's a sorry state of affairs, but there you go. So that's it. Quick video just to show you a niche that you might not have thought of. Medication logbook. Targeted towards seniors, targeted towards families, towards young people, towards perhaps those with chronic illnesses, specific chronic illnesses, perhaps say Alzheimer's medication. There are loads of different niches you can make from one simple logbook. Because these generic medication books just stick Alzheimer's or diabetes or say leukemia or something. When my partner had leukemia, she had a load of tablets to take, and she still takes a lot now, but it's an absolute pain to try and remember if you've taken them or not, especially when you've got other things on your mind. So you can target one logbook at any amount of illnesses you can think of. Right, that's it for today's video. I'm going to go to a pub quiz now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.